How to create a personal book. To create a personal book, you first need to sign in. You can sign in with your existing ABB single sign-on account, or alternatively, you can sign up to create a new one. Next, go to My Library on the menu bar tab and select Personal Books. Click Create and enter the name and description for your personal book. Click OK. Now click on Go to Search page and search for the topic you wish to add to your personal book. Open the topic you have chosen and click on the ellipsis next to the topic title and add the topic to your personal book. Here you can also select onto which personal book you wish to load this topic. You can also add other topics from the same manual into your personal book. Click Save. How to edit your personal book. To edit your personal book, go to My Library. To edit topic titles and add comments in your personal book, click on the ellipsis. Click Edit Personal Book and add your own topic. You can add larger amounts of information and also format the text. In Edit Personal Book, you can also edit the table of contents. Here you can view the table of contents. You can also share your personal book with others. Simply click on the top right ellipsis and activate Share. You can also add your book to your own collection and download your personal book as a PDF.